The verdict on Vinesh Phogat's Olympic medal appeal has been delayed. The Global Sports Court, or the CAS, has extended the deadline as far as the verdict on Vinesh Phogat's silver medal is concerned. Remember, the Indian Olympic body and India's ace wrestler Vinesh Phogat has, requested or appealed for a joint silver medal. This, of course, after she was disqualified for being overweight by merely 100 grams. My colleague Rika Roy is breaking this story. She's joining us live from Paris. So, Rika, the deadline has been extended. What does it really mean for Vinesh Phogat's medal appeal?
Well, the deadline has been extended for 24 hours now. The CAS has said that they will come back with a verdict by 6 p.m. Paris time tomorrow, which is 24 hours from now. And, it seems it's good news for India because the Court of Arbitration of Sport has gone beyond mere technicalities of the sport. If you only went by the rules that are written in the UWW book, then there wasn't any way in which Vinesh Phogat could have been handed over a joint silver medal, which she is claiming here. But right now, what we do understand is that the arbitrator has asked for a few clarifications from Vinesh Phogat's lawyers. Remember, there are 4 French lawyers representing Vinesh Phogat in this case, and they are all working pro bono here. And the Indian Olympic Association is also been represented by 2 top-notch lawyers, Harish Salve and Vidushpat Singhania, both of whom appeared online. Now, it seems that the case has been built on humanitarian grounds and not on technical grounds, on the fact that, she's an Olympian and the Olympic spirit demands that she be allowed to participate. She had made every effort to get into the gold medal match. She had fought 3 very difficult bouts, and along the course, en route to the final, to sustain herself, she had to eat, which is a basic human right, and thereby the weight gain happened. Her body didn't allow her to shed that weight, and there are talks about Olympism. There are talks about the fact that human rights basic human rights should be honored. Vinesh Phogat, who has come through a lot of difficulty to be here at the Olympic stage in Paris Olympics, she should be allowed to compete. And if not allowed to compete, if she has reached the gold medal match, she deserves a silver, which is why she should be handed over the silver medal. So that the grounds of argument has gone beyond the UWW rules. They have argued on human rights for Vinesh Phogat. Also, there are times when an athlete's body doesn't react in the way that it is expected to react on the days of competition. I remember Mirabai Chanu, after her 4th place finish, spoke about the fact that she was going through her periods. We have also heard from reliable sources Vinesh Phogat was also having her periods during this time. And, there is water retention. There are a lot of difficulties that a woman go through while competing at a highest level. Those are the things that one have to keep in mind. And if the humanitarian angle is brought in, the case can go further. It can be pushed through. And that's the only hope for India. That's the only hope for Vinesh Phogat to get this silver medal. But if it is fought purely on or seen purely through the lens of UWW rules, then there is no way in which Vinesh Phogat can get this medal. But at the moment, I think it has gone beyond the technicalities.